Today's discussion is about multimedia and ICT. This module was designed and written with you in mind. It gives you the opportunity to explore and understand how rich media content is and how interactivity and its principles in the context of Web 2 affect and change the user experiences when it comes to delivery and consumption of ICT content. The lessons are arranged to follow the standard of the course in helping you to assess the rich content based on your own experience in using the interface. The module mainly focuses on one lesson, which is the rich content in the online environment and the user experience, multimedia and interactivity, and Web 2, Web 3, and user participation in the web. Our learning competency is to explore the principles of interactivity and rich content in the context of Web 2 and in the participation of the user in the online experience. Now, upon successful completion of this module, you are expected to 1. Explore the principles of interactivity and rich content in the context of Web 2 and in the participation of the user in the online experience. And number 2, assess independently your own experience along a range of online rich content on the basis of the usability of the interface. Now let's go ahead and discuss lesson 1, which is multimedia and ICT. As we already know, multimedia is the heart of every presentation, website, and online interface in the context of the 21st century. It triggers the different senses to function well and catches the attention of the user, which aims to satisfy the audience through the use of different multimedia content like text, music, photos or images, interactive contents, animations, and videos. The user experience serves as a tool to measure the usefulness of a product or service. It is his behavior as a person towards the application or product that evaluates through his reaction using the product. For that reason, you, the learner, is encouraged to know and understand the connection of multimedia and ICT. By knowing their connection, you can easily understand, assess, and determine rich content and of each online application. And as a future developer of a multimedia application, this will give you the right insights on how to create meaningful content. This lesson provides basic information about the purpose of multimedia and ICT in 21st century. Stated here are the types of rich and multimedia content and the use of multimedia in different fields. It also discusses the benefits of integrating multimedia in different fields of applications to catch the attention of the user and fulfill their needs to attain satisfactorily level of experience. Majority of the existing websites on the internet are interactive. The content can be modified based on the preference of the users. It also allows users to interact with the site, even to comment or create their own account. It also gives the user enough space, such as file storage, and let them use the web browser instead of just using their site. There are some instances that there are ads that will flash on the screen of the website that encourage the user to use and subscribe on it. Those are promotional materials generated by the web host, and it is an example of Web 3. Let's go ahead and discuss the types of multimedia content. Multimedia triggers the different senses to function well through the uses of different multimedia contents like text, music, photos or images, interactive content, animation, and videos. The first multimedia contents that you can see on an interactive website is called videos. This is a digital moving visual image generated through video hosting sites. Example of this is YouTube. Number 2. Sound, music, or audio. If you just want to listen in the plain speech, you can always record a sound through your gadget and share it into the entire world. Example, WavePad. Number 3. Online games. Most of the developers of online games has created browser-based games. Today, where you do not need to download and install in your computer, and it is playable online via browser. Examples, Everwing, WordBlitz, Piano Music. Another example of multimedia contents that you can see on an interactive website is called online tests. These are the online survey forms that automatically tabulate and calculate the results when it is done. Examples, online IQ and personality tests. Number 5, courseware. This is an alternative tool to educate learners through online coaching. Example, Moodle Mobile. Number 6, podcasts. This is a series of digital audio files that is available on the internet for downloading to desktops or mobile devices. Example, TED Talks. And lastly, we have vodcast, a series of videos streamed online that is available on the internet for downloading to mobile devices. Example, YouTube series. Now let's go ahead and discuss the uses of multimedia in different fields. We have for education, entertainment, government, medicine, mathematics and scientific research, and business. For education, multimedia plays a vital role on the learning process of the learners. Multimedia content improves the learning process and motivates the students to interact well in the class. Entertainment. The special effects and animations that are being applied in all modern movies are the products of multimedia content. For that reason, there have been a drastic evolution on the world of online games. Majority of the online games today that are highly interactive. Government. Multimedia is very useful in all government agencies around the world. They use multimedia to deliver information, procedures, and regulations from one place to another. Next is medicine. The field of medicine integrates multimedia content to analyze further their field of study and to train future doctors and practitioners easily through visual presentation. Mathematics and scientific research. When we heard mathematics and scientific research, we imagine that all the problems and issues related to them are very difficult to analyze, understand, and solve. However, with the help of the videos, models, and courseware, we can easily understand the methods used to solve complex problems. And lastly, we have business. Many businesses integrate media content on their advertisements as their marketing strategy to attract prospect clients or consumers.